Hey people, Kiara here from iDigitAffiliate. Today we're gonna be promoting the $25 business using my lead gen secrets. Alright guys, so lately I've been just testing out emails with my lead gen secrets with promoting this product, and I just want to show you guys what's going on, what's happening, and be completely transparent. So if you guys are interested, I do make sure like, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results here. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday. Had a bit of a dry spell for a minute there, and now we got a sale, which is fantastic. So gonna refresh the page. Make sure I'm gonna be completely transparent. Refresh the page so you guys can see, hey, these are numbers that are going into my bank account. All right, so we're gonna refresh the page. All right, guys, so as you see here,
nice.
we did get a sale yesterday, which is really cool, and means it's working. This thing I'm doing is working, and it's working pretty well. For me, at least, it's working pretty well. That's what I'm showing you guys, that it's working, right? And the emails that I'm using are working. That's what I'm trying to stress. But before I get on to that, first and foremost, you guys are interested in trying this out for yourself. First thing you need to do is get your links so you can promote the product, right? And all you really need to do for that is go to my description. You're gonna see step one. Step one is gonna take you to the sales. So that looks something like this. What this is just gonna tell you what the $25 business is and all this and that. Now, the main and particular reason that I like promoting it is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, guys. This is so insane, and 80% is ridiculous, and it's just really good. You know what I mean? So 80% recurring income is fantastic. So, but if you're interested in what the $25 business actually is, it's essentially a funnel builder. All right, you can set up a funnel builder. It's a very cheap one for $25 per month, and you can make as many funnels as you want. So it's a pretty cool funnel builder actually, and yeah, make a lot of money here. Excuse me. You can make up to $120 on each customer per month. Fantastic. There's another product in there you can make either $400 or $800 on. They have a sale for the first 3 days you in the system. You can go and get it for $400. That's what I did. And once you have the product, you can promote the product. I've gotten sales for this product. I went on and got it for $400, but after the first 3 days, the sale goes away and it goes to its normal price, which is $1,000, right? And you can make $800 off of it. That's 80%, right? So yeah, it's a pretty good system. It's a couple of products, and that's the reason I promote the $25 business. 3 products in general. Now, the method I use to promote it, look, let me go and get to this real quick before I'm kind of leading on myself a little bit here. So let's say yes, we want to try this out. We click in, we put all the stuff in, blah blah blah, boom, right? Put it in, and boom, $25. Boom, you get $20 off each sale, right? Now this right here you'll get for free when you use my link. And what you get here is this is HBA Premium. It's basically training that's constantly updated. But the main thing here is that it's $125 a month. You'll get $100 off of each sale of that as well, which is really cool. You gotta have the product to get to be able to be an affiliate marketer for the product. That's how funnel builders work. You gotta actually own the product to promote it. But 80% recurring income is just so good, guys. It's so good, right? And so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, now we got the product. You sign in, you do all the stuff you need to do to get your links. All right, if you signed up for anything before, you know how to do that. you know, you don't did it before. Affiliate marketing, you know how to get your link. But it's gonna have videos explaining exactly how to do everything in this class. So there's nothing else I can do other than that. Now, now what I'm gonna do, guys, is show you guys how to promote this particular product. Okay? Now, how I'm gonna show you guys how to promote this product is with My Lead Gen Secrets. All right? Yeah. So all you gotta do is go to the description, click on My Lead Gen Secrets. That's the simplest and easiest way to promote this product. And it's gonna take you to a page with something like this. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? Ultimately, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day, right? And so lately, I've been using emails that I particularly wrote myself, and they've been working really well. So we're gonna just stick to that trend here. All right, so we go to our next email on the list here. We're just gonna pick it like that. That's our next email. All right, guys. Boom. Got the email in there. Now we're gonna hit perfect timing because it's gonna send an email around time people check emails, right? Now we're gonna hit preview because we want to make sure our links work. Okay, that link works and this link works. Both of these links work. All right, that's good. But another reason why I did this is so you guys can copy my email, guys. You can copy my emails and use it for yourself. I really don't mind. Okay. I don't really mind. All right. So you just pause the video, copy that, and pause the video and copy that, guys. That's all you gotta do. Copy the email. All right. So that's all there is to it. We send the email, and that's all, and we're done. That's all it is. You do that every morning, you make money, guys. I'm making money just doing this. That's all I do, and I make money. I make a couple $100 a month, and that's all I do. That's like it could be a bill, like some food, your food income or whatever. It's something, just an extra money that coming in. Now you want to take this very seriously, because this is the easiest way to make money online with it, right? Now you want to take this seriously. There's a couple of things you could do. Now the most progressive way, I think, off the top of my head, is with shorts, YouTube shorts, TikTok, and Instagram reels. Posting those on those 3 websites. Make like a channel for all 3. Make sure to link to this, to the $25 business. Make a channel for like motivation, or maybe some Andrew Tate clips. Something on par with like making money in any way, whatever that may be. You could choose what you want, but just post clips about it. Or maybe you can use yourself and talk about making money. There's a couple of things you could do when you make the shorts, but ultimately you want to post every day, post every day, post every day, and make sure you got your link set up right. Because once you go viral, you won't have to worry about money again. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.